Good morning, and we are off to Lake St Clair National Park today. We're staying in a lodge and hopefully we don't get stuck there. But what we're going to do, because today is just
hopefully we do.
Oh, hopefully we do. What we're going to do today though is, it's only about 2 and a bit hours to get there. We got like 5 hours though to spare, so stick keeps touching me.
Sure it's not me?
No, it's not you, it's the stick.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is going to stop at as many lookout points as we can to fill the time in. So here we go. Enjoy all the lookouts between Strawn.
Sorry, Tasmanians.
Sorry, Tasmanians. So all the lookout points between Strawn and Lake St Clair Park.
Lodge.
Let's do it. So that was stop number 2. Beautiful view, and keep going. How about you?
How about me what?
I was just trying to rhyme.
Okay.
Okay. We hike because we bought a hiking pass.
We need to make the most of it.
Exactly.
You knocked me down, swept my feet off the ground, left me on the floor. Hard to resist, got me looking like this, like the one before. 'Cause I must be strong.
Well, that stop 3 was very enjoyable actually.
Very relaxing.
Nice little waterfall. I was going to say rainfall. Waterfall. Anyway, on to the next stop, wherever that may be. Stop number 4. Alright,
That was it.
we saw the river. Next. Turns out there's nowhere else for us to go look at, and we're only about 4k away from the lodge.
Yay!
So let's time lapse to the lodge and we'll show you the lodge. Here it is. We made it to the lodges.
Ew.
Wilderness.
I'm joking.
She's not. Yeah, made it to the lake. That's the lake. Very nice. We are hungry, so we're gonna get some food from the one place that serves food. That's our story, and we're sticking to it. The next 2 days, we're just gonna be chilling and relaxing. However, the fireplace, which I was so happy to have a fireplace, is fake. It is just, it works, it's gas.
It is hot.
It's very hot. It's got 2 modes, off, on. And when it's on, it's melt your face on. So
That is right next to it, so
she's gonna be hot.
be warm.
Yeah. So that's unfortunate. And the walk to the only place where you can eat, it will be about 10-15 minutes each time.
Right. Probably need it.
Probably do need it. And that's it. So
Peace out.
peace out. Let's just roll some chillaxing footage of the next day in a bit.
Enjoy the footage of the walks we take every day, 3 times a day for the next 2 days.
3 times a day? We only eat twice now.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Turns out that the cafe and whatnot doesn't open until 6.
Ooh. And if Dave had checked the booklet,
No.
before we left,
I've got ADHD memory, so I
wouldn't
just
have
didn't
had
know.
to take
It's fine.
a useless walk.
She's called me useless.
No, a useless walk.
Anyway, back to the scenics.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So we didn't really film much because we didn't really do much.
We sat in bed
Yep.
with fake fire on,
Yep.
read books,
Had sleeps.
relaxed.
That's it. So now we're going to have our last breakfast here because it's free. Why not? And then drive back to Hobart, see how the weather is. If the weather's nice enough, we'll go to Mount Wellington today. And if it's not, we'll go to the hotel today. Yeah,
Is that it?
that's it. If you see something cool to stop on along the way, we're going to do that. We didn't see anything we wanted to stop on the way.
And through. No limit
She
to
found
what
snow.
we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Whoa! Get it! Guys, our holiday's over.
Boo.
Well, we did go to Mona today as our last day.
It was fun.
We don't get art. I just don't understand. I don't understand it.
Sorry, art lovers, I don't get you.
We just can't get on board. I'm sorry. We tried. So let's just say we went, we saw, we won't go again.
Ticked it off, done.
Exactly. We, after a week of just relaxation in the way Tasmania is, it's beautiful, relaxing, but the city just felt too much. I felt stressed after the experience
Very
at Mona.
stressful, yeah.
So we decided we still got about an hour and a half for the airport. So we came out to Richmond again.
Back here
because
in the country.
it's beautiful, relaxing scenery. How can you not love this place? So we're just going to have maybe some tea here or a drink and then head back to the airport and go home. So thanks so much for watching and hope you had a great time. We always enjoy it. As I always say, this is the modern version of the Notebook, so that when we get old, we forget our lives together.
Stop
we can
it.
just play the YouTube videos.
Stop it.
So awesome. Thanks for watching, and
That's it.
that's it. There you go.
Bye.